Hey everybody, today is March 31st and I want to talk about the price of Ethereum and whether the new month of April we can see Ethereum break above 2000 and hold and continue higher. Before we begin, please read this disclaimer and you can pause this video as you read it. Okay, so Ethereum is looking very bullish right now. As you can see, we've been finding support on the 50-day simple moving average and also on this Fibonacci support level, right? We didn't close below it. We wicked down and we pushed up higher in February, late February, and then we came down, retested again, pushed up higher, forming higher lows, which is really great. Now what we want to see right now is see us break above this resistance level, right? Just below 2000. And we want to see the price push up higher, maybe find some resistance around the next Fibonacci level, around 2200, come down and find support, and then about 2000, and then push up higher, right? So that's what I'm looking for personally. And as you can see, in the past, we've seen that Ether tends to respect the moving averages, right? Bouncing off the 200 over here, and bouncing off the 50-day over here. Sorry, I meant the 100-day simple moving average over here, the 50-day simple moving average over here, and of course these two over here. And Ethereum tends to be stronger than Bitcoin in that Ether tends to lead the market. Although Bitcoin has been fairly leading the market recently, over the last few weeks, but Ether is starting to find more positive momentum and breaking out, especially today, above 1900 towards 2000 because of many positive catalysts surrounding Ether and the development of Ethereum, right? Just a couple of days ago, we found that Visa is going to settle USDC transaction on the Ethereum blockchain. As you can see, Visa has processed a cryptocurrency payment directly on the Ethereum blockchain as part of a new service the payment giant plans to announce or introduce to its partners later this year. So it's really interesting to see the adoption of cryptocurrencies such as Ether or Ethereum and even Bitcoin in different companies. Most noticeably PayPal. Last year I talked about how they wanted to allow you to buy stuff with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. And just today, they announced that you can do it now. You can use those cryptocurrencies to buy, and they're going to convert it to fiat instantly. So I expect us to see more institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and yeah, I think that's going to give us more fuel to push the prices higher as more people are using these cryptocurrencies. And let's look at the MACD, right? MACD looking very bullish right now. Not only are we seeing a crossover here that can push the price higher, but we're also seeing positive prints on the histogram charts. Solid green bars are always very bullish. That and also rising MACD level here, right? So I expect this to flip more bullish and just push the buying momentum to the upside. Same thing with RSI. RSI looking very strong, finding higher lows on the RSI. I expect us to push up higher and maybe chill around here as the price continues higher. Today is the monthly close for Ether, and so we look at the chart. We've had an incredible last few months. Let's look at a clean chart over here, right? But of course, this thing is going a bit parabolic. Not necessarily that it's going to crash soon, but just something to keep in mind, right? Every time Ether has many months of green, we tend to have at least one or two red candles to sort of consolidate, right? And people taking profits. But Ether looks very strong right now. I mean, especially if we look at the weekly chart, this looks like a classic double bottom, right? And this is a multi-year double bottom. So we've had all this time to build energy like a spring, like a coil that's just building momentum to push up higher. So I expect Ether to continue higher throughout the remainder of the year, all the way up to, in my opinion, $10,000, right? $10,000, that's where I think Ether can, at the minimum, go up to. But that might take a little bit more time. Obviously, we have to break above 2,000 first, but I think Ether can break above $2,000 per Ether in the month of April. So everything's looking really great right now. I expect us to continue pushing higher, maybe find some resistance around 2,300, but after that, it's pretty much this Fibonacci level. That's what I'm saying. After that's pretty much just going straight up to the next level. So yes, if you found this video useful, Please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for updates. Thank you, and I appreciate your support.